What's up, y'all? It's your girl Kay, and welcome back to another friendly reminder of the day. So, y'all, we got to get on this positive thinking path. So, we want to know, about the power of positive thinking, how to cultivate a positive mindset. So this is what we're on today. We're going to think positively in everything that we do in life. Keep our heads up, stay focused, never give up. The power of positive thinking is a concept that has been widely studied and recognized as a key factor in personal and professional success. So cultivating a positive mindset involves consciously choosing to focus on positive thoughts and emotions and training the mind to see the positive in any situation. Excuse me. Now, when you are able to train your mind to see the positive, to see the good in everything, even the bad situations, there is some good because there's balance in everything. Where there's good, there's bad, and where there's bad, there's good. So I just wanted to drop a couple of tips, a couple of things that you can do to cultivate a positive mindset. And the very first thing you want to do is practice gratitude. Always say thank you. You wake up in the morning, thank the creator, you thank the most high, you thank God, you thank whatever entity you believe in, and you say thank you. Thank you for today. Thank you for waking me up. Thank you for everything. Always show gratitude. It's one of the most effective ways to cultivate a positive mindset. Practicing gratitude. Take time each day to focus on the things in your life that you're grateful for. Use a journal and write down the things that you're grateful for. Each day, write down 10 things that you're grateful for and express your appreciation for them. So write a thank you note to someone who has helped you. That would be cool, showing gratitude. And, just always be thankful. You have to stop thinking negative. Negative thoughts can be a major obstacle to cultivating a positive mindset. If you have been, brought up in a negative space and sometimes you can only focus on the negative, try to get yourself up out of that. Listen to uplifting music, motivating music, And whenever you notice yourself thinking negative, try to, position your thoughts to back to a positive state. Like if you catch yourself saying, I'll never be able to do this, change it up, to this may be challenging, but I'll do the best and learn from the experience. It's all about the way that you think. And then you want to practice mindfulness. Mindfulness is the practice of being present and fully engaged in the moment. When you are mindful, you're less likely to dwell on negative thoughts about the future. So, practicing mindfulness through meditation, yoga, simply taking a few times, minutes out of the day to focus on your breathing and clear your mind, it brings you back to where you need to be. It grounds you. So you want to be able to practice mindfulness, be fully present in the now, and breathe deeply. Focus on the solutions and not the problems. When you're faced with a problem or a challenge, it's easy to get bogged down with negative thinking. Instead, try finding solutions for that problem and taking a positive action for it. Okay, this will help you feel more empowered and more in control of the situation. So, and then again, practice self-care. Self-care is big in everything when it comes down to your life, tending to your health, tending to you, making yourself better, making yourself greater. You have to practice self-care. So, taking care of yourself is very essential for cultivating a positive mindset. Make time for your activities that you enjoy, exercise, your hobbies, you're spending time with your families and friends, practice self-compassion, be kind to yourself. Even when things don't go as planned, still be kind to yourself. You wake up in the morning, you're washing your face in the mirror, speak to yourself. Tell yourself how great you are. Then visualize success. Visualization is a powerful tool for cultivating a positive mindset. You can sit I'm sitting right here, and I'll close my eyes and I'll visualize where I want to be, what I want to do, what I should be doing, and I do it. So you want to take a few minutes out of each day, visualize yourself achieving your goals, visualize yourself living the life you want, imagine yourself feeling confident, happy, fulfilled. Let those positive emotions guide you towards success. So with that being said, cultivating a positive mindset involves intentionally choosing to focus on the positive. So you got to wake up every morning and intentionally choose to focus on the positive. Even if you wake up and you stub your toe out of bed, okay, you might say, ouch, shit, damn, I hurt myself, the pain. But still don't forget to say, thank you for waking me up this morning. Thank you for waking me up with this stub toe, because now I'm up and I'm woke and I'm vibrant. Find a good solution to that pain that you're feeling because your toe is hurting. So, and try making these practices a habit so you can continue to think positive and achieve your goals and live happier. That's the goal. That's what you want to do. Live happier, and live a happy, fulfilling life. So, in order to do that, you have to change your mindset. All right, so this has been your girl Kay with another friendly reminder. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Get your notifications on. Later.